Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about the fruit beverages. So the fruit beverages are easily digestible, highly refreshing, thirst quenching, appetizing and nutritionally superior to many synthetic and the aerated drinks. The fruit beverages are classified into two groups, that is unfermented beverages and the fermented beverages. So what is meant by unfermented beverages? The fruit beverages which do not undergo alcoholic fermentation are termed as unfermented beverages. That is RTS means ready to serve beverage, squash, syrup, nectar, cordial, etc. Then fermented beverages. Fermented beverages are those the fruit juices which have undergo alcoholic fermentation by the yeast, including the champagne, wine, sherry, Tokay, then Muscat, Nira, Cedar, etc. So these unfermented beverages, first is the juice. The juice having again natural juice, sweetened juice, ready to serve, then nectar, cordial. Natural juice is the contain only fruit and the natural sugars. Then sweetened juice contain the 85% of the fruit juice and the 10% of sugar. Then ready to serve means RTS having the at least 10% of fruit juice and the 10% of the sugar and 0.3% of acidity. Then nectar contain 20% of the fruit juice or the pulp, 15% of sugar and 0.3% of the acidity. Cordial having 25% of fruit juice, 30% of sugar and 1.5% of acidity. Then syrup having 25% of fruit juice or the pulp, 65% of total soluble solids, that is sugar, and the acidity is 1.3 to 1.5%. Then fruit juice concentrate, 32% of TSS water is removed, is known as the fruit concentrate. Then crush having 25% of fruit juice or the pulp is then 55% of TSS and the 1% of acidity. Then squash 40 to 50% of TSS, 25% of fruit juice and the 1% of acidity. Then here is some unfermented beverages: mango squash, kokum cordial, then crush, mixed fruit crush. Then fermented beverages. Fermentation process in the beverage preparation is mediated through the yeast, and in the process it produces the range of products such as organic acid, alcohol, esters and the sulfurous compounds. So fermented beverages are the wine, perry, orange wine, nira, feni, cedar. So what is meant by the wine? The wine is a fermented alcoholic beverage produced from the grape juice without distillation. It contains 7 to 20% of alcohol. Then perry, the perry is the wine made from the pear fruit. Then orange wine, orange juice is sweet by adding the sugar and then allowed to ferment. Then nira, Nira is the product or the beverage prepared from the juice extracted from the palm tree. Then feni is the fermented wine made from the cashew apple and which is very famous in Goa and the coastal area of Maharashtra as well as India. Then cedar is the fermented product or the fermented beverage prepared from the grade apple which having the high tannin content of 0.1% to 3%. Then here are some example of fermented beverages: Mira, Sherry, then Apple Star. Then how this juice extraction is carried out? The juice extraction of from the fresh fruit by crushing and processing them. So the following machines are used for the juice extraction, that is lemon juice squeezer, screw type juice extractor, then basket press juice extractor, fruit pulper, hydraulic press juice extractor are used for the extraction of the juice and the pulp. So here is some picture for these machineries: lemon juice squeezer, screw type juice extractor, then basket press juice extractor for the extracting the juice from the small fruits. The screw type juice extractor is used or suitable for the citrus and the sweet oranges, then mandarin. Then lemon juice squeezer is the handhold tool which is common in the home. Then fruit pulper is suitable for the juice extraction from the mango fruit, then tomato, uh, likewise. Then hydraulic press juice extractor is suitable for the extracting the fruit from the grapes and the mulberry fruits. Thank you.